DeepScale is unique in a sense that we focus on the computer systems side of AI deployments. So most of the world is rightfully focused on bringing AI to the next levels of accuracy constantly, and every academic paper races for that additional epsilon of accuracy. Now, while that's super important and we have our own efforts in-house to do the same, we also focus on the second side of the equation, which is then how do we bring the efficiency to those models to the deep neural net infrastructure and frameworks so that we can then deploy our AI solutions onto edge processors that need to be rolled out by the millions, if not billions, across the world. Open vision platforms are important because there is such a huge problem space in not just autonomous driving, but even within AI. Each one of these is a field that is difficult enough to warrant its own industries and its own dedicated efforts going to solve the problems within those technology areas. So if you look at an ostensibly simpler device than an autonomous vehicle, like the phone, for instance, that most of us have in our pockets, you have some of the biggest, most capable technology corporations in the world manufacturing those and designing them for a couple of decades now, smartphones as we know them, and they don't build the whole thing in-house. So I think it's on the border of far-fetched to think that a single company could build a system as complex as an autonomous vehicle that's drawing on semiconductor know-how and cloud infrastructure, connectivity, AI, the list goes on and on of problems that need to be solved, and they're each so big in their regard that if we don't collaborate, I just don't think we're going to get autonomous driving technology to where it needs to be. AI exists in this world between academia and target end applications right now. So for automotive end applications, the automotive industry is predicated on 99 point endless trailing nines of % accuracy, and academia is quite different from that. So making AI that actually fits into applications means that we can't take the square peg and the round hole of industry and academia and try to make them fit together. We need to actually be smart about rewriting the specs in a way that we're leveraging the technology with the best design practices that we can follow and making that fit for the end application as we know it, and that has to be a bi-directional pathway. We can't have this edicted meet these specs or else, because the specs like functional safety and ACQ 100, while they've taught us a lot and can get us off to a great start, are not going to work to just try to mold AI solutions into those existing specs that were never written to accompany AI.